Hey people, well here's my next fan to film. This is a 2003 Lakewood model 225 RG Rainguard box fan. I got this from a friend of mine, Zachary Yarnes. He gave this to me the very first time we met in person, along with another friend of ours, Jody Victor. And we got together at that ceiling fan place in my area called Texas Ceiling Fans. And I got this from him. And this also comes with its original box. And I'll have an overall look at the box. Lakewood Thermostat control 20-inch portable 3-speed fan. Quiet, efficient cooling. There's all the features. And there's the fan. Here's the side of the box. And if you look down here, it says made in USA with domestic and globally sourced parts. So it does have some foreign parts. But it's still a good fan. Rainguard, weather resistant safety features insulate motor and controls from metal case frame. There's some more features. And this is where the fan can be used: home, condo, apartment, office. And as Esky Wolf would say, look at all those happy people. Wee-hoo. And there's the back of the box. 3-speed and comfort control thermostat with power indicator light. And there's a diagram of the fan with some features. Okay. Back to the fan. As you can see, it's got these blue blades. Although I'm using this in the living room, I have to film this fan here because the blades show up better here. They hardly show up in the area where I normally film in the living room. And this is the first box fan in my collection I got that actually has a thermostat. The second being my 1978 Lakewood model P237. That one was my first vintage box fan to have a thermostat. Yet of all the three box fans owned with a thermostat, this is still the only one that actually has a pilot lamp. And it only turns on when this thermostat kicks the fan off. Have a look at the fan overall. And it's that modern ice gray color, which they've actually been using since the 90s. I don't know how that mark got there. And like most box fans from that time, it's got the small, I think 1/30th horsepower motor. And it's got the detachable boombox cord, which they've been using, I guess since 2002, or was it 2003. And it requires little feet to keep it stable, because this fan's still kind of lightweight. got this style handle and these style knobs. There's the master control and the thermostat. And though you can't really see it that well, or maybe you can in some areas, like here and here, it does indeed have the brace around the blades. Yes, this is another almighty brace bladed fan. It's got the brace blade power. Yeah, whatever. But it's still a good fan. Well, still decent. Much better than the really cheap stuff that's being made today, especially the Yarnes-made box fans, which are just total crap. Anyway, we'll run this. Here's high. Still throws out a decent breeze. Here's medium. Low. And we'll demonstrate the thermostat. And there's that pilot lamp. That's the only time that ever kicks on, is when the thermostat kicks the fan off. And it goes back off when the fan comes back on. Back to high. And OFF spells off. So there you have it. That's my 2003 Lakewood Rainguard box fan, model 225RG, with the blue blades and the original box. So thank you again for the fan, Zachary. Yeah, this is one somewhat modern box fan that I don't mind having in my collection. I guess mainly because of the blue blades. So thank you for watching, everybody.